Welcome to Team Diamond's level. The first level that we're going to be going through is going to be mine, Donald Gearhart's. I base my level around kind of a tropical and lost ruins, lost civilization feel. The first area that we walk into is a start portion with another campfire and a point of interest to the left in the trees that the player currently can't reach. Um, Moving forward, the player does see this bridge that they can jump across, and a few rocks that they can get to that point of interest. To their right, the player sees a big monument area up top over there, as well as something through the trees and vines on. So, the player so chooses, they can come across and get onto the rocks down here, and jump to this rock so that they can jump up here and climb in. Using these torches really helped bring out that area's importance and visual aid to the player to be like, hey, you should probably check this out. Now, coming back across, the player can drop down onto said rocks again, jump up here, and they can actually jump up and grab that. Grabbing that ledge and that bluish sanded wood color is the first indication that the player can climb these. Now, this monument I made specifically so that it kind of points down into this cave, showing the player, hey, probably have to go this way. Coming into the actual cave, you once again see that symbol pointing down inside the ruin, and a faint glow of green coming from the right-sided area. Also using stalactites to kind of lure the player to go a certain direction. Now, they can attempt to try to jump over these, but they cannot, so the one choice is to go through the ruins. Coming inside the ruined temple, they can see a table with some left behinds of the past civilization, and once again, the sanded wood to show, hey, you can climb those, and they can climb up. Now, the player can clearly see, when they climb up this way, that there's something for them to collect down there, as well as this door. If they check on the door first, it says that the totem of the Mahakari is required. The second item being listed as collectible of the Mahakari. So they collect the totem, and the player can actually jump up the fallen stalactites that blocked them earlier and climb back up to the door. Up, making their way across. They are worthy now, and they can open the door. Coming out of the temple area and the cave, the player is now atop where they saw the earlier waterfall, and can actually run over to the area that they saw the monuments earlier. Finishing up the level, coming across and climbing on top of this, they can actually turn back around and kind of see the areas that they've started in and the full-on jungle. I really loved how I filled out the jungle and kind of made it feel like they were actually surrounded by this forest. Once again, they are worthy with the totem of the Mahakari, and they can exit my level into this transition and come across into this more open area, which is built by Michael Hincham.